Blue Ridge Optics and MPF Products recently installed a new 1,000 square foot state-of-the-art ISO Cleanroom, featuring ISO Class 5 sections used to ensure the highest quality, super polished, low absorption optics, and high power coatings available. Cleanrooms are controlled environments where airborne pollutants like dust, dirt, microbes, and other particles are filtered out to ensure the entire room is as clean as possible. With laser technology, especially high-energy lasers, it is extremely important that all optical surfaces be as clean as possible. Any particles landing on an optical surface can create absorption when the laser is in use. The contaminated particles burn, causing temperature changes resulting in poor performance, damage, or destruction of the optic. At Blue Ridge Optics and MPF Products, we're utilizing our cleanrooms to keep particles out of our production and testing environments. However, in other industries, such as pharmaceuticals and virology, cleanrooms are also used in the reverse, for keeping potentially hazardous particles in.